Good afternoon, everyone. How you doing today? Michael Zuber, one rental at a time. And as you can see, I have my little puppy here with me. His name is Jimbo. He is 15 and a half. He's not feeling very good these days, so I am going to try to hold him and do this video for you. You can see he's breathing a little bit hard. He is on medication. He just had it, so hopefully he'll be asleep in a minute. But on to the topic at hand, and that is how to become a millionaire or a multimillionaire. I get asked this question a lot. Is it possible? Can I do it? People think they have excuses. And what I want to be very, very clear is I think becoming a millionaire or a multimillionaire through real estate, buy and hold real estate, is not only possible, but probable for everyone that watches this video. I'm going to go through 7 or 8 steps, 7 or 8 things that if you appreciate, you understand, you don't fight, that you too can become a millionaire or hopefully a multi-millionaire. Real estate investing doesn't care what your age is, doesn't care your sex, doesn't care how much money you make. It is non-emotional. It doesn't care the color of your skin, your sexual orientation, your religion, nothing like that. One of the things I'm very proud of on this channel is we have interviewed hundreds of individuals with all different kinds of backstories. And the reason they get interviewed is because they are successful and because of their backstories. On this channel, there's a playlist called Successful Investors. There must be hundreds of interviews, hundreds of hours there. Your job is to simply find someone that is like you. I have interviewed high school dropouts. I have interviewed felons. I have interviewed people, all different, colors, sexes, combinations. So real estate doesn't care. And again, it is not only possible, but probable buy and hold real estate can make you a millionaire. So let's go through what I think and just give you my 2 cents. So let me share a presentation that I built for you this morning when this little fella got me up at 2:30 in the morning and he couldn't sleep, which means I couldn't sleep because I have to wake up daddy so mommy can sleep. Yes, that's the agreement we have. So again, I'm sorry, I'm trying to have fun. So again, do you want to be a millionaire or multimillionaire? Again, it's mental. It's so much mental. People don't want to believe it, but let's go through that. First and foremost, becoming a multimillionaire in real estate buy and hold is easier than you think. If you haven't read the book Can't Hurt Me by David Goggins, I strongly recommend it. It is one of those books that will move you if you really take the heart. The body, the mind is a very powerful thing. And as I outline in my course, finding good or great deals just takes discipline, only takes 10 or 20 minutes a day, but it takes every day. And I don't know why people fight me on that. They constantly come to me going, hey, what if I gave you 3 hours on Saturday? Is that enough? I'm like, no, dude, I want 20 minutes a day. What is so confusing about what I'm asking for? You need to look every day. It needs to become a habit. I tell you it's easy, but very few people want to do it. And worse, you want to fight me. I don't know what to tell you. Stop fighting me, buy the course, do the work, just as outlined. It is really that simple. Again, kind of on that same lines, I love this picture. I forget where I saw it the first time. It takes consistent long-term sacrifice. If you want to be a multimillionaire in real estate, you know what? It might take you a decade. I tell you it's worth it. This picture, to me, it's not overnight, right? This individual, I guess it's a boy. It kind of looks like a boy. They cut the steps off the ladder to stay warm instead of using the ladder to get out of the hole. Do you want short-term, warmth, or do you want to get out of the hole? If you want to be a millionaire or a multimillionaire with real estate, sign up for a decade. What's the problem? I mean, it doesn't come overnight. And if you are thinking overnight, if you're sold by the easy button, sorry, go play the lotto. Something I really want you to appreciate, I tried to highlight this. Let me reach here in the book, one rental at a time. Again, this goes from one house to financial independence. Check it out, read it a couple of times. It really does talk about, you know, mistakes, interesting events. It's very much like a roller coaster. There's ups and there's downs and there's loop-de-loops, and you just need to hold on and keep moving forward. There will be emotional ups and downs. In the book, I write about one particular event where I had to pull the car over and cry after going to another open house. It just happens. And sometimes you just need to let it go and let the emotions come over you. So be prepared for that. Here's the deal. Your network may need to change. Some of you are coming into this with a set of friends that want to sit on the couch and smoke weed. They want to go to the clubs. They want to go buy, they want to go trick out their cars. They want new fancy clothes or shoes or whatever it is. They want to go buy the bottle service. That's all fun and good. But if you want to become a multimillionaire in real estate, let me be the first one to tell you that you're going to have to change your friends. I can look at your friends and guess your future. Think about that. Why don't you sit around on the weekend and look at your 4 or 5 closest friends and just ask, what's my life going to be like in 10 years? If you want your net worth to change, your network has to change. And I want to give Grant Cardone credit for that quote. I promise you, you will feel horrible at different points in this journey. You will feel run over, emotionally distraught, just horrible days. But again, bad days don't last forever. I like this particular quote. It's very colorful. I remember the first time I got a phone call that one of our units was on fire. It felt traumatic, terrible. I didn't know what to do. I couldn't sleep. 2 weeks later, I had a check in my hand. Felt a lot better. But again, you will feel bad. The first eviction you have to go through, you'll feel terrible. The first time somebody steals money from you on a job, you'll feel terrible. Just keep moving forward. Don't repeat mistakes, but keep moving forward. Here's one that is a particular gotcha in my book. I don't see a lot of people talking about this, but I have seen so many people that started the journey with me, right? Buying rentals, even taking advantage of the crash, but they got cocky. They bought the extra car. They bought a new house. They stopped the positive momentum. And once you get this momentum going 5, 6, 7 years down the line, trust me, the last thing you want to do is stop it. All you got to do is wait a couple more years and life gets good. This is a quote by Martin Luther King that I'm fond of. If you can't fly, then run. If you can't run, then walk. If you can't walk, then crawl. But whatever you do, keep moving forward. That's the same thing here. Don't stop the momentum. Trust me, you don't want to start it all over again. Never stop positive momentum. The first 5 years of this on your becoming a multimillionaire, it's going to feel like a drip. This is a faucet with a drip. I don't know what to tell you. Our journey, multi-millions here, 15 years in the making. The first 5 years, I had no idea what was happening. It just felt like nothing was happening. Just be prepared for that. Don't be surprised. First 5 years is tough. 5 through 10, pretty good. 10 through 15, awesome. So just be prepared for that. And again, maybe for you, it's 1 through 4, 4 through 8, 8 through 12. Everybody's journey is different lengths, different markets, but just realize, start slow, gets interesting, gets really, really good. Here's the deal. This is really the heart of a course I'm building. You got to earn, save, invest, repeat. And sometimes I say this as earn, spend, save, invest, repeat. The more and more you read The Millionaire Next Door, which again, I was so lucky enough to get an autographed copy, right? Millionaire Next Door. Flex a little bit here. I got an autograph from William Danko. I actually interviewed him on this channel. Never letting this book go. Dr. North and Dr. South. Doesn't matter what you make. Both those doctors made 800 grand a year. One was broke and one was a multimillionaire. It's how much you spend, folks, how much you keep. It's that simple. Again, one of the things I've highlighted is book one rental at a time. It's 5 stars on Amazon. Thank you for that. All of you make it a 5-star, 329 reviews, average 5 stars. Thank you. If you bought it, please leave a 5-star review. It's great. Lucky enough to have Forbes recognize it as one of the 15 essential books to read before starting. Number 3, ahead of Rich Dad Poor Dad. I'll have you know, pretty awesome. Again, the course I have of how to get started, one rental at a time, link below, is the best thing I've created. I keep it low at $199. Have a private Facebook group that those students and those students alone can be a part of. So I'm trying. So if you want to be a multimillionaire, I can show you the way. Go ahead and watch this video a couple of times because the keys are in it. Focus, consistent execution. If you want help, I am here. Course below is the best thing I've done. All right, everyone. Again, if you've read the book, One Rental at a Time, thank you very much. If you can take a few minutes and go to Amazon and leave a 5-star review, I'd appreciate it. I want to keep the 5-star average, so 5 stars would be wonderful. All right, everybody, take care of yourself. Have a wonderful, wonderful evening.